gifts to these people.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Sorry sa mga wala ha. Alright, let's start first with this. These are the gifts for Gianna nung debut na iwalis ito sa hotel. So this is from me, from Ben, and from Nana yun.
Ayan na, pinag-isa yung birthday gift. Ano ah?
Maduga!
Ang daya ah!
Sinabay ka no?
Birthday Christmas!
Ano ba yan?
Hindi pa yan yun.
Ay, hindi
Debut yan yun. Debut. Alright, Tita Jojo. MJ.
Thank you!
Wala na speech siya. Uncle Ronnie.
Hindi kami kinito!
Tita Ellen. Ulan mo to ah. Ayos. Mama Eva. Tony. Parang iiyak ka pa.
Sorry, Kim ako.
Ay, Kim.
Thank you.
Tita Lele. Jerry. Ay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pakita kayo pangalan. Natalie. Wala pala sila dito.
Si Natalie yun.
Yan, si Annie.
Si Ali.
Adriana. Adriana. Merry Christmas. Stacy.
Ano to mo? Kape ba to?
Gianna.
Again.
Riley.
Princess. Merry Christmas. And Gabriel. Basta masabay ko na lang yung ano. Okay. So, kailangan ko itong buksan kasi
Ah, t-shirt! Wow! Ay, God!
Sally.
Personal.
Josephine.
Josephine! 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 The
Juliet.
Thank you.
Hernan.
Pangalan talaga.
Herman. James. Merry Christmas.
Litpila.
Jamie Ann. Ate Angel.
Oh.
Alex. To you. May beer pa ba tayo dyan? May beer pa. Wala na. No? So sad. Uncle Bob.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Chicharron outside.
Uncle Frankie.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Nalagyan niyo ng chicharron. Sana lang ang pasto. Bibili tayo ng bigas, dito ilagay. Kilo-kilo daan. 5 kilo, kaso dito.
I think last Susie and Paula.
Buti naman dito, sinaalala tayo doon saan.
Yan talaga kayo kayo rin. Sorry.
Nagkaroon pa pa ako.
Auntie Joyce. Wala akong favorite I think that's it.
Yep.
Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you! Ang mabait ninyo! Thank you!
Yung beer! Ano ba?
Saan bibili kayo ng beer? Ulit sa tala ko!
Yes, ulit ate. Thank you tayo dito. Ay, yung kasama kasama niya.
Iyak.
Oo.
to say at Gianna's Blue, but you already saw that I was already crying before I even, began. So, meron akong gusto sabihin talaga doon sa debut ni Gianna, but ayoko nang umiyak kayo lahat. So, kasi ang aga-aga nun, di ba? So, I just want to say, wala na akong ibang way na pakita sa inyo. Alam ko, yung malaking gastos, maybe dapat binigay ko na yung pera, but the only way I can show my love is to be with all of you. Wala akong pakialam sa pera, wala akong pakialam sa gastos. I just want to be with everybody as much as I can, and I just want to thank si Pani to allow me to do that. My time with my family, and she wasn't greedy to, have my time spent with her family all the time. She was very fair to allow me to spend my time with my family. So all I can say is I love all of you. I really do. If I did not, I would not be spending time with all of you.
I know.
But I love all of you guys, and there's a lot more years to come. And I'm gonna make every year. I'm gonna make it bigger every time. Thanks everyone for coming and actually spending time with us. You know what I mean? Thank you.
See you in
We love
2
you
years.
guys. Yes, 2 years. Sana ma.
Merry Christmas, Akala.
Merry Christmas to everybody. God bless us all.
Love you too, Akala.
So, thank you, Johnny and Fanny, for all you did for us here. We really love you, appreciate you. God bless to you, my wife. I'm very happy to be here. I love all of you. I'm so happy that you've accepted me being here. You're stuck with me.
You have no choice, Akala.
I'm just happy not be working anymore. I just have my wife yelling at me, telling me where to go. But, anyway, God bless you all. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and let's party.
Lalo na, special, beloved family. Alam mo,
since you are a childhood, you are the best. Yes, true. You are always look after us. Every time you came here, you are very, very happy, you know. And we are trying to put the days for you to come because we love you very much. And your wife also is very, very nice wife. And your future doctor and your future